Baltimore area reported an October record for median sales prices, which held steady month to month. Buyer demand remained strong while days on the market remained at all-time lows. Prices are up 14.3% over last year this same time. It's Friday, November 13th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening in Maryland's real estate at a local level. Anne Arundel County sales prices remained at all-time highs, with attached home sales seeing the best market in 10 years. The Severn area home prices rose 12% to a record high, averaging $369,000. Anne Arundel also had an October best in attached home sales, up 55.9%, and Annapolis sales were up 36.4%. Baltimore County townhome sales were also up 11.5%, and a 10-year record on attached home closings, up 36%. Middle River townhome prices were up 36.7%, a record for that area. Dundalk attached home sales were up 115%. Baltimore City detached home sales prices were up 12.5% to an average of $251,000. Pikesville placed with a 48% increase in sales prices for detached homes. Harford County had an October best for attached homes. Bel Air prices were up 13% to a median of $257,000. Abington attached home sales were up 108.7% and accounted for 26% of that county's sales. Montgomery County median sales prices returned to a 10-year high mark of $500,000 from this past April and July, and Poolesville homes are selling for a decade high average of $693,500, a 17.1% gain. Carroll County home sales doubled from last year, and Westminster sales were up 160%. Prince George's County townhome sales hit a 10-year best for sales prices, up to $320,000, a 16.4% gain. October sales volume was at its highest, and Upper Marlboro volume increased 15.1%, and days on the market were down from 12 days last year to 7 days this year. Bowie sales prices were up 21.8% for townhouses at $352,000. Capitol Heights saw their townhouse inventory sell in 6 days, a 70% shift. Median days on the market for October reflected the fastest year-over-year decline in 7 years. Baltimore City, Howard County, Carroll County, and Harford County all showed the biggest days on the market declines for October. If you are looking to move by the end of this year, it still may be possible. There are certainly some considerations to take into account. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 to discuss how we can get you moved by the end of this year. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, November 13th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday right here.